how to make a Spotify account on mobile. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for Spotify on your phone. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So to create your Spotify account on your phone, first what you have to do, open up a browser on your smartphone. Also guys, you can do it on Spotify app, but in website it's gonna be more easier. So once you open a browser, go to spotify.com. And here it is. As you can see, right now I am in official website of Spotify. So guys, to create your account, here click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Now as you have to sign up, click on sign up. And guys, here you can sign up with Facebook, but here I recommend you guys to sign up with your email address. So here as you can see, first you have to put your email address. So let me enter my email real quick. Also guys, here you can put your phone number instead of email, but here I'm entering my email address. So after entering your email address, below you have to confirm your email. So here re-enter your email again. After re-entering your email, now you have to create a password. So let me create my password. After creating your password, you have to enter your profile name. And guys, this profile name gonna appears on your profile. So here let me create my profile name real quick. After creating your profile name, now you have to enter your date of birth. So here let me enter my date of birth real quick. After entering your date of birth, select your gender. And then click on this checkbox. I would prefer not to receive marketing messages from Spotify. And below also you can click on this checkbox, share my registration data with Spotify's content providers for marketing purposes. It is all up to you whether you're gonna select or not. Now guys, after that, here click on this captcha. I am not a robot. And once it is verified, click on sign up. And here it is guys, as you can see, I am now signed in to Spotify. Means I have successfully created a Spotify account on my phone. So guys, here now let me sign into Spotify app. So here I'm gonna open Spotify. And guys, let me sign into Spotify real quick. And guys, once you signed in, it will ask you like what music do you like. So select on your choice. And then you have to choose 3 or more artists you like. So let me choose 3 artists real quick. After selecting your favorite artist, click on done. And here it is guys, this is the interface of Spotify. So guys, this is pretty much it is. Actually, this is how you can create your Spotify account on your phone. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change your email address on Spotify, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.